Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're crossing the Atlantic to discover Europe's most irresistible destinations, places that are quickly outshining America's old favorites. These aren't just vacation spots, they're the new stars of global travel, brimming with history, charm, and sun-soaked streets. Forget the usual, think ancient cobblestones, Mediterranean breezes, and a whole new kind of wanderlust. No ads, just pure travel inspiration set to free music from YouTube Studio. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore 7 countries that might just steal your heart. If you feel inspired, hit subscribe. It's like sending a postcard saying you're loving the journey. Your support keeps these adventures coming, ad-free and full of passion. First stop, Portugal, the Atlantic's hidden gem. Lisbon's yellow trams, steep hills, and warm locals make you feel instantly at home. The Algarve's golden cliffs and surreal blue water are pure magic. Porto's soulful vibe and legendary port wine offer a different flavor. And don't miss those addictive pastéis de nata. Saudade lingers in fado music drifting from Alfama's bars. Portugal isn't just a destination, it's an experience you'll never forget. Portugal, the charmer you never saw coming. Next, we sail to Greece, a land where myth and beauty collide. Athens is a living history lesson, with the Acropolis glowing above the city and ancient stories echoing in every stone. The islands are pure magic. Santorini's sunsets, Mykonos' vibrant nights, and Crete's wild landscapes. Each island has its own personality, from glamorous to rugged, and all are unforgettable. Greek food is sunshine on a plate, fresh salads, grilled souvlaki, and creamy tzatziki. Meals are social events, best enjoyed with friends and laughter. Beyond the famous spots, hidden gems like Milos and Kefalonia offer quiet coves and timeless villages. Greece invites you to explore, get lost, and discover your own paradise. It's a country that feels both ancient and alive, a place where every traveler finds their own myth. Whether you're chasing sunsets or ancient legends, Greece is a timeless love affair. Come for the history, stay for the magic. Greece, where every day feels epic. Now, let's turn up the color and passion. Welcome to Spain. Madrid pulses with energy, from world-class art at the Prado to lively tapas bars that spill into the night. Barcelona dazzles with Gaudi's whimsical architecture and a creative spirit that's contagious. In Andalusia, whitewashed villages and flamenco rhythms transport you to the heart of Spanish tradition. Seville's Alcázar and Granada's Alhambra are masterpieces of history and beauty. Spanish cuisine is all about sharing, paella, endless tapas, and refreshing gazpacho. Every meal is a celebration, every street a stage for life's fiesta. The Spanish know how to savor the moment, long lunches, local festivals, and a focus on joy. Whether you're dancing at a village party or relaxing in a sunlit plaza, Spain teaches you to live beautifully. It's a country of contrasts. Fiery and laid-back, historic and modern. Spain is a sensory adventure you'll never forget. Come for the art. Stay for the energy. Spain, a fiesta for the senses. Lose yourself in the rhythm, and you'll find a new way to live. Viva España! Next, we set sail for Croatia, the Adriatic's rising star. The Dalmatian coast is a dream. Thousands of islands, turquoise waters, and medieval towns straight from a fantasy. Island hopping by boat, you'll discover hidden coves and sun-drenched beaches. Dubrovnik's ancient walls and terracotta rooftops are unforgettable, while Split's Roman palace pulses with modern life. Inland, Plitvic's Lakes National Park stuns with emerald waters and cascading waterfalls. Croatian cuisine reflects its geography, fresh seafood on the coast, hearty stews inland, and crisp Istrian wines. Every meal is a taste of tradition and pride. Croatia offers a perfect blend: glamorous escapes, outdoor adventures, and deep history. The locals' warmth makes every visit special. Whether you're exploring ancient streets or relaxing by the sea, Croatia is ready for its close-up. It's a country that surprises and delights at every turn. Come for the beauty, stay for the soul. Croatia, the Adriatic's crowning jewel. Discover it before everyone else does. Ah, Italy, the land of art, passion, and la dolce vita. Rome is a living museum where ancient ruins and vibrant piazzas coexist in perfect harmony. Florence is the heart of the Renaissance, with masterpieces at every turn and a skyline crowned by Brunelleschi's dome. Venice, a city of canals and dreams, enchants with its timeless romance. Beyond the cities, the Amalfi Coast dazzles with cliffside villages and breathtaking views. Italian food is a celebration: pizza in Naples, pasta in Bologna, pesto in Genoa. Every region has its own flavors, and every meal is an event. From Tuscany's rolling hills to Sicily's ancient temples, Italy is endlessly diverse. Art, history, food, and beauty. Italy has perfected the art of living well. It's iconic, yet always full of surprises. Italy is a love affair that never fades. Come for the classics, stay for the secrets. Italy, the eternal romance. Lose yourself in its magic, and you'll never want to leave. It's not just a destination, it's the thunder and the lightning. Italy is the dream you'll keep chasing. Next, we arrive in France, a country of style, sophistication, and endless surprises. Paris is pure magic. Stroll the Seine, marvel at the Louvre, and watch the Eiffel Tower sparkle at night. But France is so much more than its capital. Provence offers lavender fields, olive groves, and hilltop villages that inspired the masters. The French Riviera glitters with sun-drenched beaches and cinematic glamour. Normandy's D-Day beaches and Mont Saint-Michel are moving reminders of history. French cuisine is legendary: cheese, wine, and every meal a celebration. Explore Bordeaux or Burgundy for a wine lover's pilgrimage. From the Alps to the Loire Valley's castles, France is a land of diversity and delight. Indulge in high culture or rustic pleasures. France has mastered the art of living. Look beyond Paris, and you'll find a country that surprises at every turn. France, more than a destination, it's a way of life. Discover your own. For our grand finale, we journey to Turkey, a crossroads of continents and cultures. Istanbul bridges Europe and Asia, where ancient mosques and bustling bazaars create a city of endless stories. The Grand Bazaar is a sensory overload: spices, lanterns, and treasures at every turn. Beyond Istanbul, Cappadocia's fairy chimneys and sunrise balloon rides are pure magic. Ephesus brings ancient history to life with its grand ruins and marble streets. The turquoise coast offers crystal-clear bays and sunken ruins, paradise for sailors and dreamers. Turkish cuisine is a fusion of flavors: kebabs, mezes, baklava, and strong coffee. Every meal is a journey through centuries of tradition. Turkey is vibrant, welcoming, and unforgettable. It's a place where East meets West in a dazzling dance. Come for the history, stay for the adventure. Turkey, a feast for the senses and the soul. Discover a world where every day is an epic. Turkey is ready to surprise you. And just like that, our whirlwind tour of Europe's rising stars ends. From Portugal's soulful coast to Turkey's epic crossroads, these countries are rewriting the travel map. If you're inspired, subscribe and join our community of explorers. Your support keeps these journeys ad-free and full of passion. Thank you for coming along. Your curiosity fuels every adventure. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and be well. The world is waiting. Where will you go next?